Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. Today is the 14th of August and we're going to be looking at ADA trading against Bitcoin. We have a 3-hour chart here. Oh man, what's gone on today? So the whole market has just crashed again. Another big drop. We've just seen the global crypto market capital fall below $200 billion. Bitcoin fell below $6,000, the psychological barrier for Bitcoin. Ethereum dropped below $300 yesterday and is now holding well below that figure right now. Everything is pretty much down double digits to 15% to down 20%. So a big shake-up in the market right now, a big haircut, and that's having a lot of effect on investors' confidence right now, whether this market can recover. Other people are saying it's happened loads of times before, just after the Christmas crash. That was a significant haircut as well. A lot of people can profit during these markets, but that's, it's really how you depend on seeing things. But we're looking at Cardano right now, and you can see how the market has affected Cardano. We're now sub 10 cents, which is, it broke through the 11 cents support, which was a very strong support for Cardano. It propped it up loads of times during the past sort of bear moments that we've been having over the last sort of 3-4 months. But right now we're sub 10 cents, and you can see it crashed through the support as 1,688 cents. Let me put a tooth in. It just crashed all the way vertically down. This main support area here, this green box between the 1500 sats mark and the 1405 sats mark, is our key support area right now. And you can see that right now the 1500 sats mark is providing the main foothold for the asset right now. It's actually starting to recover somewhat off this level, but you can see that the wick actually dipped in the main sort of bearish drop in the main sell-off over the last sort of this is a 3-hour candle, so maybe over the last 9 to 12 hours, you can see that actually dropped all the way and nearly hit this 1400 sats mark. So this is a key area of support right now, and I'm wondering whether it will actually oscillate in between here and the base support. It's still a good way off the base support if it wants to return. Let's just have a little look. Yeah, it's still about 12% off that support line, so it's still a way away right now. So it's really unsure. It'll depend largely on what Bitcoin does going forward. If the market continues to tumble below $6,000, it may create another drop. Or we could see an insurgent of bull traders trying to scalp all these cheap coins and ride the hypes and ride the runs back up to their earlier prices before this morning. Looking at the indicators, you can see that volumes actually starting now to show a bit bullish, with some buying candles starting to appear. This on the MACD lagging indicator, you can see it's quite clearly oversold, and all three indicators show that. MACD's below the signal line. The Williams R percentage was well below, somewhere around the 93 mark. It's nearly 100. And the stochastic RSI was well below the index channel as well. But you can see now that momentum's picked back up. The Williams R percentage is actually back in the channel. Stochastic is curving back into the channel. And MACD is a lagging indicator, so we're still waiting for the faster moving average, that blue line, to start curving back towards the signal line. You can see buying momentum is actually starting to pick up a little bit. The market's still largely uncertain, and it really could go anyway. But right now it looks like the bears have had their move. It's now the bears' turn to start picking up again. They've got a lot of ground to make back, so it'll be interesting to see how quickly this market can recover, or if it doesn't, how far it can actually drop. Bearish targets for ADA going forward. We've got this 12,010 sats mark as our sort of bottom here, and that's a 13% drop from the lowest support of this main green box that we're looking at. But the hard bottom, guys, for this I think will be somewhere around the 889 sats mark. That's a huge 36% drop. I hope that we don't hit that number anytime soon, but that's the absolute rock hard bottom that I think this asset will hit if it really does go P-Tong in this market right now. For the full TA, guys, I will include all the price targets in more detail. We'll have a look at a few other indicators. So please check that out at CryptoVest.com, and please like and subscribe to this video as well. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.